everyone, good morning. My name is Ela, and today I'm going to talk about what are going to be the key trends in digital marketing in 2022. In 2020, when the pandemic started and COVID hit our lives, nobody would have realized that it would have continued for so long. But a lot of businesses were smart enough to change their business models. And the first thing that they all decided to do was move digital. And this is how digital has really changed our lives. The first key trend for 2022 that's going to play a really critical role is page speed. And that really is how long does your website or your application takes time to load. And if your website is taking really long, it's going to really impact your conversions and your overall traffic. So make sure that your page speed is good because that's actually going to increase your conversions by 7%. The second trend that we're seeing is the content length won't matter as much. And I'm really talking about the text content because earlier we used to think that the longer essays, the longer text we write, the higher ranking it's going to get as long as you're using the right keywords. But that's not going to be valid anymore. But on the other hand, if you're creating content on audio or video, make sure that it ranges around 10 to 15 minutes because if it's shorter, then nobody is going to really stick around to hear really short pieces of content. Or on the other hand, if you're making long videos which are around 25-30 minutes long, or even audios which are around 20 minutes long, that's also not going to help you so much. The third trend is that how you rank on Google will be more important than ever. If you look at the past data, you'll notice that the websites which come at the higher ranks obviously get much higher clicks and click-through rates. So that's something that you really need to focus on, that if you need to spend money on Google Ads, make sure that you use the right keywords so that your Google ranking keeps going higher and higher up. The fourth key trend is that you really need to make sure that you're creating and updating in-depth content. It's okay if you use the old content as well, but make sure that it's relevant for your audience. Podcasting is really popular. People are not just writing blogs, they're creating videos, they're creating podcasts, they're creating a lot of audio content. Make sure it's in-depth, and there's nothing wrong that if it's duplicate or if it's something that's been shared before, as long as you present it in a nice, wonderful way. Trend number 5 is going to be that backlinks won't matter as much. With user signals, will it matter if you have 1 million backlinks or 2 million backlinks? What's going to be really important if your website is relevant enough for your audience. Trend number 6 is going to be that brands are really going to become powerful as long as they are authentic brands. There's so much social media out there, right? There are platforms like Facebook, Instagram, now even Clubhouse, Twitter. So brands are also trying to figure out what is the best platform that works for them. But once they're able to create an authentic presence online, once they're able to connect with their customers, it's the brands that are really going to become extremely powerful. Hey Alexa, set an alarm for 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. Yes, I'm talking about voice search. I'm talking about voice assistants. And it's not just Siri, I'm also talking about voice assistants like Google Homes or Amazon's Alexa. A recent research shows that 55% teenagers actually use voice search. My own 9-year-old son doesn't know how to type too well, and he also uses voice search, and that is how it's going to be a really critical trend in 2022. Quora has always sort of been this question and answer platform, and it's perceived that it has a very limited advertising or monetizing ability. But if you notice, experts like Neil Patel, they write really lengthy answers on Quora to gain traction from their audiences. Quora has increasingly become a favorite with digital marketers and Google in 2021, and it's one platform that we really need to focus on to be able to monetize in 2022. One very critical trend that we'll see in digital marketing next year is going to be the use of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is now becoming an integral part of our lives, and it's also integrating really well in digital marketing. It could suggest you what keywords to use. It can go along really well with your SEO strategies. So what you really need to do is integrate AI in your future strategy, come up with areas and places where it can also help increase traffic on your online platform. Mobile first marketing will be a very important trend for businesses in 2022. People are not using desktops or laptops so much or as much as they're using their mobile phones. So make sure that your website has a responsive design so that it automatically adjusts to mobile devices. You could also look into accelerated mobile pages where customers can have a more smooth, a better experience while they access your mobile apps on their devices. The last key trend that I'm going to talk about is multi-channel marketing. Your customer is not just a cold call away. Your customer is not just only on your website. Your customer is actually everywhere. So you need to make sure that in 2022, you build an integrated marketing platform so that you provide a seamless customer experience. If a customer calls up your contact center, you know from your chatbot chat that what is it that the customer had complained about previously when they had contacted you. Guys, I hope you found this video useful. If you think that there are going to be any key trends, any critical changes in digital marketing in 2022, please share them in the comments below. If you want to see the trends that I had shared last year for 2021 marketing trends, see the link in the description below. And do not forget to like, subscribe and share this channel with your friends so that they also learn a little bit more about digital marketing.